There is a rumble in British politics, and now the Brexit trade agreement could also come under legal fire. It is with some relief that news-loving people like me these days wonder whether a little American fatigue might be allowed, now that it looks like the new US President Joe Biden is making politics with an almost boring seriousness. At the moment, the British Prime Minister Boris Johnson seems to me more responsible for the riot instigated by the government. Johnson has in the past few days startled the world with a scientifically by no means proven claim that the mutation of the coronavirus, which first appeared in Great Britain, is even more dangerous than the previously known virus variants. With the very sad record reached today, it's obviously not the best topic there. He's confronted with efforts for independence by Irish and Scottish politicians who consider a detachment from the UK to be desirable, at least in the medium term. And now Johnson apparently also has to fear that the Brexit trade agreement concluded shortly before Christmas between the EU and the British government will be legally and politically challenged. According to press reports, it could be that the agreement may have to be approved by the parliaments of all EU states in a different way than planned. This contract is an absolutely special case, said Bielefeld European lawyer Franz Mayer. Several parts of the agreement could arouse suspicion in the courts. The German Federal Constitutional Court also criticized similar constructions as those provided for in contract in earlier cases. Because the contract had to be approved by the European Parliament before the end of the year, the European Court of Justice decided not to examine the agreement in Brussels. This is clearly a legally high risk. In the opinion of the experts, it's by no means certain whether the treaty will interfere with the competences of the member states, says the German magazine Spiegel reporter Markus Becker. It's quite possible that in the end the Federal Constitutional Court or the highest judge of another EU state will at least partially declare the agreement invalid. In extreme cases, the affected parts would have to be outsourced and ratified as a new agreement by all parliaments in the EU, including regional parliamentary houses such as those in Wallonia, Belgium, which was shortly before the EU trade agreement in 2016 when they torpedoed the CETA deal with Canada. So there's probably much more fun to come, and the saga definitely will continue. And this Sunday I'm gonna have my very first live stream. If you want to take part a bit more actively, you can ask questions. There's a post on my community tab where you can leave questions for Sunday in the comments. Just go there, write a question, I will pick them for Sunday. And if you don't know where the community tab is on a channel, I leave a pinned comment under my videos as soon as I have time to do so. There will be a link for the community tab in there this time. And if you want to stay informed in general, please subscribe to my channel and to my other channels. I'll see you in my next video. Auf Wiedersehen.